Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about objectives of seed certification. To maintain and make available to the farmers high quality seeds and propagating materials of notified kind to ensure the acceptable standards of seed viability, vigor, purity, and seed health. To ensure genetic identity and genetic purity, a well-organized seed certification should help in accomplishing the following three primary objectives: the systematic increase of superior varieties, the identification of new varieties, and their rapid increase under appropriate and generally accepted names, provision for continuous supply of comparable material by careful maintenance. Classes of seeds. So we already discussed about classes of seeds. So they mean nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed. So we'll check the purity of the certification. Each one nucleus seed is genetic purity is 100%. So 100% you will get the qualified for the nucleus seed. Breeder seed genetic purity is 100%. Certification tag is golden yellow in color. Foundation seed genetic purity is 99.5%. Certification tag is white in color. Certified seed genetic purity is 99%. Certification tag is blue in color. So, what is the eligibility requirement for certification? Why you need the certification, and what is eligibility requirement for the certification? You will see one by one. A variety to become eligible for seed certification should meet the following requirements: general requirement, specific requirement, field standards, seed standards. So, there are four types of eligibility requirements. We will discuss one by one. As per the Seed Act 1966, seed certification is voluntary. So it's not compulsory, but voluntary. You can check the seed quality, it will be better for the farmers. So seeds of only those varieties which are notified under Section 5 of the Seeds Act 1966 shall be eligible for certification. Breeder seed is exempted from certification. Foundation and certified class seeds only come under certification. Certification shall be conducted by the certification agency notified under Section 8 of the Seeds Act 1966. A certificate is granted by the SCA under Section 9. Certified seed producer means a person or organization who grows or distributes certified in accordance with the procedures and standards of the certification. So, unit of certification, it's all under one variety. It does not exceed 10 hectares. It's not divided into fields separated by more than 50 meters between them. It's meant to produce seed belonging to the same class and stage in the generation chain. The crop over the entire area is more or less of the same stage of growth, raised strictly as a single crop and never as mixed. So it will be separate single crop, it's never as mixed. Not so heavily and uniformly large that more than one third of the plant population is trailing on the ground, leaving no scope for it to stand up again. So these are the unit of certification. So next we are going to discuss phases of certification. Receipt and scrutiny of application for seed production, verification of seed source and registration of showing report, because report is very important. So after you receive the report only, it's 100%, it's a pure quality seeds, you can know that. Next we are going to inspect. So field inspection, so they will come directly to our field, then they have to inspect the seeds. Seed processing and packing supervision, seed sampling and analysis at lab. So take a seed sample and it will be analyzed in lab. And then finally you will get the grant of certificate and tagging and sealing. So what is the procedure? We will see one by one. First you will get the application in that website itself. You can download it. Then verification. SCO, seed certification officer, can do the verification or forward to ASCO for verification as well as inspection. This inspection, ASCO or in the certain case, SCO himself can do the inspection. Both online as well as offline module has been developed. Testing certificate issue, TC is issued only by ASCO and SCO who did the inspection. Processing plant can now be changed by ASCO, SCO. Sampling slip generation. 3 sample slips are generated before going to do sampling by concerned ASCO and SCO. Testing lab. See, testing lab will submit their report. So finally, first you will get the application, then you are going to verify, then you can inspect, then you will get the tracing certificate issue, then sampling slip generation, testing lab report. Finally, you will get the certificate. The certificate name is tax certificate issue. Tax are issued by the appropriate authority. So these are the things we have discussed in that testing seal. It's a certification, right? Okay. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.